When we gauge the success of any nation, its infrastructure is one of the most important parameters which can only be developed with intelligent and futuristic construction equipment. We at Mahindra Construction Equipment are committed to manufacture the best quality construction equipment that not only contribute to building India but play a pivotal role in the success stories of many other developing countries. One question that always fascinates people is, how are these powerful machines rolled out into the markets? Let's take a quick glance at the entire process happening at this 30-acre plant. It starts with the raw material storage area, which is kept under strict vigilance. It deals with the receipt of materials from the vendors. While this is being done, another important activity takes place where several welders are being trained. This is a necessary skill development which is given prior to the welders so that they are allowed on the shop for doing welding. After all this is done, another important activity that takes place is fabrication. Further, to ensure weld consistency in heavy aggregates like boom, dipper, chassis, loader arm, cabin structure that are fabricated in the shop are fully welded using robotic welding. The quality aspects are taken care by the shop quality to meet the highest standards. Once this is done, the structure is cleaned with a solvent to remove grease and oil from the surface so that it can be taken ahead for shot blasting. This is done in order to remove the rust and other surface imperfections from the metal surface. The above process ensures that the paint adhesion is effective and long-lasting. There are 10 stations in the shop that deals with several activities happening. It's a mesmerizing sight to see this entire process. The first stage is where the chassis is prepared. It is then ready to receive the powertrain, hydraulics, work attachment, electrical assemblies at different stations on the line. It requires patience and a lot of hard work to achieve this. It's all a team effort, where almost 125 workers work day and night to make 4 machines per shift, 3 shifts a day. Once all this is done, the cabin sub-assembly is prepared on a different line and brought to the main line for assembly purpose, where the cabin is dropped on the vehicle to take that final shape. The machine is then rolled from the line and taken to the testing area, where all sorts of quality measures are done thoroughly to test the performance and functionality. And once the safety and quality measures are done, machines are ready for the final delivery to be dispatched to the customers, fulfilling the promise of delivering unmatched quality of construction equipment. These machines have best-in-class fuel consumption and have created a history and are now on a path to create big success stories. The robust team at Mahindra has a motto of delivering the best. Come, be a part of Mahindra Group.